I was accepted to be a junior fellow at Massey at the height of the pandemic. And being an international student from India, it was hard for me to get to Canada, and my visa was being delayed. So initially, it was a lot of logging into virtual events at 4 a.m. my time, and everyone would say, Devas, what's the time there? But finally, after months of waiting, when my visa was accepted, and I had to quarantine for 2 weeks, my favorite Massey memory is literally the first time I walked into the Massey gates on New Year's Eve, 31st December 2020. It was just the most magical feeling, and I couldn't even imagine the relationships, bonds, and friendships that I'd forge over the next couple of years, memories that have lasted me and will last me a lifetime. So yeah, I think just the first time I walked in through Massey doors, it was just a feeling of I made it, and that's my favorite Massey memory.